Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a math expression that looks simple, but still many people fail to solve this because 2 plus 2 times 2 by 2, they solve it, they cancel out the 2 with 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4, their answer. But this is a wrong approach. When you have given multiple operation, that is addition, multiplication and then division, then you have to follow a order of operation which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So first you have to solve the parenthesis if given. In this question no parenthesis is given. Then exponent if given. Then multiplication, division both have same priority, just need to solve it from left to right. Similarly addition and subtraction. So 2 plus 2 times 2 bracket. We can write numerator divided by denominator like this as well. So first we have to solve the parenthesis, this brackets and bracket, in bracket it is addition and sub multiplication. So first we have to solve the multiplication. So 2 plus 4 divided by 2 and 2 plus 4 is 6 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. When you write the fraction in terms like divided and then write the denominator, you can solve it more easier and you can clear the steps how to start it by following order of operation. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.